In this video, I'll show you several quick and easy ways to create desktop shortcuts in Windows 11. Let's start with the quickest method. Click on the Start menu, then go to All Apps at the top right. From here, you'll see a list of every program installed on your computer. To create a shortcut, simply click and drag any app directly onto your desktop. For example, I'll drag the Calculator app, and just like that, a shortcut appears on the desktop. Now, all I have to do is double-click it to open Calculator instantly. This method is fast, simple, and works with nearly any app on your system. Now let's look at another way. Instead of clicking on All Apps, you can stay right in the Start menu. Right-click on any app you see and choose Open File Location. Windows will take you to the folder where the app's shortcut is stored. From there, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then click and drag the app icon onto your desktop. You'll notice a message that says, Copy to Desktop. Drop it there, and your shortcut will appear. If you're using OneDrive, it might automatically sync to the cloud too, which means your shortcuts stay backed up. If you want to create a shortcut to a specific folder or file instead of an app, here's how. Right-click on your desktop, choose New, and then Shortcut. A window will appear where you can either type the path manually or click Browse to find it. You can navigate through your system to select any file or folder you want. For example, you could create a shortcut to your Pictures folder. Once you've selected it, click. Next, give it a name, and then click Finish. The new shortcut will appear on your desktop. This method is great for creating quick access points to locations you use frequently. Finally, let's cover how to create a website shortcut. Open your browser, it can be Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to the website you want. Then resize your browser window so you can see your desktop behind it. Next, click and drag the small lines, globe, or lock icon that appears next to the website's address in the URL bar directly onto your desktop. Drop it there, and you'll see a new shortcut that opens that website instantly. It's a great way to quickly access your most used sites without opening your browser first. And that's it. You've just learned multiple ways to create desktop shortcuts in Windows 11. You can use whichever method fits best depending on whether you're creating shortcuts for apps, folders, or websites. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tips, and I'll see you in the next video.